What if I told you there's a way to earn 500 a week without leaving your home, without any special skills, and with the power of AI doing most of the work for you? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Imagine turning simple tools into money-making machines, whether it's creating stunning art, writing captivating content, or even editing professional videos. Curious to know how? Stay with me, because these 5 AI tools could completely change the way you hustle. And trust me, the last one is so powerful it might just blow your mind. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT, your personal content generator. ChatGPT is an AI that generates written content quickly and efficiently. You can use it to write blogs, scripts, product descriptions, or even manage social media accounts. For example, you could offer blog writing services to small businesses or freelance as a content creator. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients. ChatGPT can help you deliver quality content in minutes, making it a perfect tool to start earning fast. 2. Midjourney, AI for digital art. Midjourney is an AI tool that creates stunning digital art and graphics. You can use it to design custom art prints, create logos, or make eye-catching visuals for social media. Imagine selling unique digital art on Etsy or working as a freelance designer on platforms like 99 Designs. It's a simple way to monetize your creativity with the help of AI. 3. Jasper, AI copywriting assistant. Jasper is an AI tool designed for copywriting. It's perfect for crafting ad copy, email marketing campaigns, and product descriptions. For instance, you could help businesses with their ad campaigns by delivering high-converting copy in no time. Many companies are looking for these services, and Jasper can make you look like a pro. 4. Pictory, AI video editor. Pictory is a fantastic tool for creating videos from text. You can transform a script into a professional-looking video complete with visuals and animations. This tool is perfect for YouTube content creators, small businesses, or anyone needing video editing services. Freelance on platforms like Upwork or offer your services to local businesses to start earning. 5. Replica, your AI chat assistant for virtual support. Replica is an AI chatbot that can assist with customer service or even personal coaching. It's great for providing virtual assistant services, handling customer queries, or offering conversational training. You can market these services to startups or small businesses that need affordable support solutions. Freelancing platforms are an excellent way to find clients for these tasks. These 5 AI tools are changing the game for side hustles. From content creation to digital art and virtual support, there are endless opportunities to earn smarter, not harder. So, which AI tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to start a side hustle. Your journey to earning 500 a week starts now.